we're like the suitor, we're like the girlfriend who will always be there with you. You know, the funny thing is that is exactly that it is the exact analogy that was used by one departing State Department official who called on Ambassador Lucia, before that person left their posting. Because what prompted that reply was that Ambassador Lucia said, "Oh, President Obama is going to Vietnam, and there's a lot of hype. How come there's not much hype in the Philippines?" Said, "Oh, Mr. Ambassador, first of all, the President already went there. Of course, we have a good relationship. But then again, the Philippines is the girlfriend that that will always be there, and we're now courting Vietnam." The ambassador, being a diplomat, he didn't respond. I was there, and I also, restrained myself. Anyway, it's I understand the candor, but we had to tell them that yes, we're always there. Sometimes, in any relationship, no, it's never rosy. There's no such thing as a relationship that's rosy. But at least with the United States, you can talk, and you will not be lectured. And you may disagree. We may have disagreements for a certain period of time, just like in any relation. You can have a quarrel with your girlfriend. She will not talk to you for 2 weeks, 2 months, but eventually you will. I cannot say the same for others. But as long as we keep this relationship going on through these people-to-people events, we keep dialogue open, then we can move forward, and that's why we should continue to do this. So again, thank you to the organizers, Gabby, Sunny, Hank, and the other PMA veterans here who graced this occasion. And let's keep up with